maybe like a foot. Nothing crazy. Just a little bit. All right, we're gonna walk down here. Grab my other pole. We're gonna walk this way, get right to the spot. Hopefully it's easier to get to now. The water's lower. Whew. All right, let's just get there, guys. So as you can see from last time, the water was running almost all on here. You can see it's down maybe like a foot, 2 feet from the last time I was here, like 3 days ago. You see there's water all on here. All the water's gone. You can see how I just, yep. Whew. All right, we're gonna try a few spots. Everything's real slippery now though, so don't want to fall. Put that pole right there. A few little casts into here. See what happens. Whew. There we go. Better angle. Last time I was here, there was a carp just right there. Freaking jumped in the air. Scared the crap out of me. Oh, that was a risky throw right there, guys. Risky throw. Nope. Alright. We're going to keep moving. We're going to try not to fall on this. Alright, there we go. We're back up here. It's just a lot of mud now. Eventually this will all be gone. We'll be able to walk back around over there where we did before. Alright, let's walk over here. Right here. See what we can pull out of here. Eventually we'll be able to walk all the way back over there to the waterfall. Oh, I just had one. Dang it! I didn't even realize I had a fish on, guys. Dang it. Woo! Oh, that was a throw right there. Come on, fish. Let's get a fish. Whew. Got one, guys. Holy cow, that's a good one too. Check it out. Oh my god. Can you guys see that? Whew. Took me a little second. I switched to this, my favorite noose bait, the spinner bait. That's a long one right there. That's a long bass right there, guys. He's definitely really long. Look at that. Look how long he is. Holy cow. That's like a 16-inch, 17-inch smallie. He's like 1 pound, 2 pounds, less than 2 pounds. Woo! Doesn't look like he's been caught before. Heck yeah, that's a nice one, guys. We're gonna get him back. Woo! All right, buddy. Heck yeah. Woo! All right, let's go, guys. One throw for luck, real quick. I doubt there's any out here. I got him right on this little edge right here. I got a couple bites from him before, I think. Heck yeah. Last time I caught a pike minnow right out this little area with the spinner bait throwing across. Woo! Thought I'd check it out, see if we could snag something. Not snag it, but you know. Oh, I see a fish right there. Look at her. So he's right there. Look at that sucker fish. Oh, dang it. He's right. Why'd I have to get tangled up? Of course. He's right there. Oh, I just hit him. I just hit him right now. That was funny. Oh my gosh, I got it. Oh! Did he break? No! Oh my god, that was a giant fish. Broke off. I suck, dude. Oh my god. That was a giant fish. Dang it. Alright, we got another one. I missed that one. Is this the same fish? No, I don't see no other catch marks. Wait, was that a catch mark? No? No, it's not as long. Almost as long. Another fish though. I switched. They want something that's shiny, like a spinner. I just lost a giant on a spinner bait. Lost it. But I was like, dang it. And the only thing I have else that's shiny is these little spinner baits. So I guess that's what's catching them. They like it shiny, I guess. Whew. Get it in there, right in this little channel right here, and then try to bring it right back this way, right around the corner. Try not to get stuck on nothing. Whew. Come on, how did I get stuck right there? Oh, Jesus. Oh, I got it back. I got it back. At least I think I did. It didn't sound like it broke my line. Oh, yep, got it back. A little bent out. Looks like we bent it out a little bit. Oh yeah, we definitely bent it out. Get it right back in there. Bam, right back in action. Alright, looks like nothing else. We're going to walk to another area. Whew. It is hot out here, guys. Definitely hot. Alright, well, it must be a small fish down there. Must be a little baby fish, because it's just barely tapping it. Got him. On the ultralight. I'm telling you, this is how much these fish love Senkos. That I have no Senkos, but I had a little piece of one. Oh, we just spit up something. Whew, look at that little guy. But yeah, look at this mini Senko, piece of Senko that it is attacking. That's how much they love Senkos here. That you could, I fish with everything else and don't catch nothing. But let me throw any kind of piece of Senko out here, or even one of them rage calls. I get attacked on those rage calls. Fish are probably just sitting right in this little cut, waiting for a free meal to come around this corner. One more throw, then I think we're gonna move on from this spot, even though I'm catching fish here. Of course, I get snagged with the only thing that's catching fish. Yep, broke off. Alright, let's find something else to put on. Switching to this little guy on the ultralight. I don't know if we're going to get a catch, but We're gonna move on over here, and if we don't catch nothing else, we're gonna leave this spot. All right, let's get down from here. There we go. Try not to fall. That's the most important part. Is being very careful, guys. Should I fish right here? Well, I just see the fish come from right here. Maybe. Nah, let's walk up a little bit more. Alright guys, I'm gonna switch up some baits real quick. Take a little quick break. They're breaking off. And to be honest, I'm just out of all the baits that are killing it right now, that are catching fish. So I'm just looking through what I got to see what I can get. I need to go to the store and get a spinner bait. Cause that's what I've caught the biggest fish on so far. Whew. Pretty hot out here. I don't know if you can see the waterfall right there, but whew, that's a good one right there. But yeah, so we're just gonna get this tied on. I'm gonna do a couple more throws right here, and then I think we're gonna head out of here. Probably go to a different spot where I can catch some fish. Well, I caught fish here, so I can't complain. It's just, I don't know. I think just losing that bait just messed up my whole mood, you know what I mean? That's how it goes sometimes. You just gotta snap yourself out of it. So I'm gonna switch baits, recalibrate. Put all these other baits back. Get this on. This is what we're going to be throwing right here. Whew. Let's go, guys. Alright. We're going to get over here. Try to do some throws from right here. That's like a pole holder right there. Alright, we're going to get our throws in right here where we can see, get an advantage point. Along that edge over there. Oh. Whew. So yep. Just try along this edge before we get out of here. Nothing right there. Get them around that corner. So it sweeps around the corner right here and then comes to this calmer water. Whew, nothing. We're gonna move to another spot. Alright, so we're out of here. We're gonna hit up a different spot. Whew. Alright guys, we're gonna head to the new spot. Make it through here without falling first. But yeah. Whew. That water's nice and cool though. Alright. Let's get to the car over there. Alright guys, so we're done with that spot. Oh, the cow's hot. Sorry about the camera guys. So we're headed to the car and we're about to get up out of here. Go to a new spot. The waterfall's flowing again. Whew. Alright, let's head to a new spot, guys. Different spot. Oh my god, I got a fish. I got a giant fish. Oh my god, I got a giant. Oh, he's not a giant, but he's pulling like a mug. Look at that. Woo! Heck yeah! That's a good size smallie right there, guys. Whoa, they're long swims now. Look at he's back in the water. I need to go back to the car and grab my other baits from the car, cause this bait just tore. I might have to run back to the car and grab the baits. It's a good thing I'm not too far away. Good thing I'm not too far away. Look like we got a few big ones right here behind this little rock. Whew. Oh, close. Oh, I got another one. Oh, I got another one. Oh! Did I get that? Oh my God! Woo! Holy cow, guys! That's a take smallie right there, guys. That is a take right there. Woo! Ah! He's too wild. Don't break off. There we go. Got him. Woo! Now this is the one that jumped a minute ago and grabbed my bait like a topwater, but I missed him. Woo! Look at that, guys. That is a take right there. Woo! Heck yeah, guys. A straight take. Look at that. That is a beautiful dark fish right there, guys. A beautiful dark fish. Woo! I didn't think I was going to get anything right here. The water is going so fast. I guess not. Let's go. Woo! Got another one. Whew, it's been a struggle for a little minute. I walked to another spot, walked around, didn't really catch nothing. Stopped right here. Like I said, it was a struggle for a minute. Oh. I think I got another one. I did have another one. It got loose. Bring it back. Whew. Let it flow down. It's going to flow around and then come back over here around the little going to come right around to these little breaks. The current sweeping it around. I let it naturally sweep to where so hopefully that's where the fish are being swept to. Get it out there a little bit farther. We'll probably switch to the other side now. Ooh, right by that rock. We'll see what happens. Thought for sure I'd catch one right there. Don't look like it though. Oh. Yeah, I'm getting bit. Oh, I got a dragonfly landed on me. That's good luck. Got him. Whatever it is. Oh, another little smallie. Woo! That's another good sized smallie right there, guys. I've been catching a bunch of little guys today. Ooh, check that out. Nice, beautiful smallie. Right back in the water. Alright, I think I'm going to move here in a second. I don't know why I'm getting a lot of bites, but we're going to move in a second. Get closer to the car. Standing in the water. Got another one, I think, guys. Got another one. Oh, he got loose. Dang it. Another smallie. Catching a lot of little ones today. Whew. Look at that, guys. Beautiful smallie right there. Look at all those nice patterns on them. Look at the little fin though. A little fin, big fin. See you, dude. Alright. So I've just been throwing in all these little small spots. Try to catch what I actually caught that little fish right in that little puddle right there by my feet. Whew. Let's do another couple throws from this little area, and then we're probably going to move on. I wonder if there's one on this side down here. Drop it down. Oh, that's deep. Can't really see over there. I see now. Alright. Boom. Whew. It is hot out here, guys. Alright, nothing here. Move on, Tom. Back out of here. Whew. Should I go over there and catch fish? Nah. Nah. Oh. Ooh, the water was just rushing through here the other day like a stream. Not no more. Whew. Let's go back over here. Whew. Let's do a throw back right here. Alright. Okay, so right over here where that shade's at. Whew. Nothing again. Ooh, it's hot. Come on, come on. No bites. No bites. I'm out of here. Nothing out of that last spot. Ooh, the hot water is hot right there. Back to the car. We're gonna go see if we got some time. Maybe. Alright guys, we're back to the car. Alright, so we're going to end the video probably right here at Centennial. Whew. That's how you know it's hot. There ain't nobody out here. Hopefully we don't get snagged. I hate fishing here, man. I mean, it's a good place to like hang out, but you don't ever catch nothing here. We're going to walk over there, around that corner to where the rock is at, probably. Almost got stuck on a stick. There we go. We got bait back to life. There we go. Whew. Walk over here, around the corner. I always wanted to fish down there. I just don't want to crawl down there. One day we'll do it. My boy just walking over to the spot. Whew. Just some of the cliffs. When you walk to the spot, it's pretty badass. Whew. Let's get there. Alright, so we're here. A week ago the water was 2, right here where this line is at. I even was fishing down, standing in the water right here. Rocks are almost already uncovered. We're going to walk around over there. Whew. Fish a little bit over here. I cannot believe I'm stuck on something. What the heck? Feels like it was moving. I figured they'd be along this little rock right here, trying to stay cool from the sun, but it's not looking like it.